Hi kids, today I'm gonna tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, there was a bird named Tweety and a lion named Leo. Tweety lived in a nest in a tall tree and Leo lived in a cave nearby. They were not friends because Leo thought Tweety would make a tasty snack, but Tweety was too quick and clever for Leo to catch. One day, Leo was out hunting for food when he suddenly got lost. He wandered around for hours, trying to find his way back to his cave, but the jungle was so big and confusing. Just as Leo was about to give up, he heard a familiar voice calling to him. It was Tweety. Tweety had seen Leo getting lost and knew how to get back to his cave. So, Tweety took Leo on his back and flew him all the way back to his cave. Leo was so grateful and amazed by Tweety's kindness. He had never met a bird that was so brave and helpful. From that day on, Leo and Tweety were the best of friends. Leo no longer saw Tweety as a delicious snack, but as a true friend. They would play together in the jungle, hunt for food together, and have long conversations while sitting in the sun. Years passed, and Leo and Tweety were still best friends. They had many adventures together and helped each other through thick and thin. Leo learned that just because something looks different from him, it doesn't mean it's not a good friend. And Tweety learned that even the biggest and strongest animals can be kind and caring. This was today's story, kids. Remember to like and follow my channel because next week we will have another beautiful story. Much love.